we started talking about ultra mobility, we announced a relationship with Option and Icera as a 3G modem partner. Fall IDF, we announced a relationship with Ericsson, an incremental addition there. And we also have our own WiMAX device. And the WiMAX device here, I'm going to hold it up here. This little thing I'm holding up, this is the WiMAX device. This is the EvansPeak product that will be shipped coincident with the Morristown platform. This little chip integrates WiMAX, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. 4 radios all in one, a single chip. So we've talked about Moblin being a big investment for us starting about 3 years ago. And we've constantly been talking about the improvements we've been making on Moblin. Moblin has been optimized for Intel Atom-based devices on footprint, on fast boot, on battery life, on a whole range of things. We've also made the user interface extremely intuitive, very rich and easy to use. And we have a strong ecosystem behind it, as you can see with the application we talked earlier already, with Icon, Livecast, etc., building out the capabilities here. Now, specifically Moblin 2, which is now in beta, and Moblin 2 is going to be shipped on netbooks, but it's also going to get shipped on MIDs. What I'm going to show you is the demonstration of Moblin 2 on a netbook environment, and you can expect to see that same environment being replicated on a MID environment. So to help me.
Okay. What we have here is Moblin version 2, and as you said, Moblin version 2 beta was released on May 19th to the community. There are 2 points I want to make before jumping into the demo. The first is Moblin version 2 UI was designed ground up specifically for the usage models that these devices are targeted for. And that's around internet consumption, that's around media consumption, and social networking. Around touch functionality and so on. So when you boot up a system with Moblin version 2, it comes up to the home screen that we call the My Zone. My Zone
so it comes up right into this screen.
That's right there on the screen.
Okay.
This is the replacement for your traditional desktop. The idea with My Zone is you're there in the home screen, and you should be able to get to what you want to do 90% of the time with one click. So it's think of this as your cockpit. You come up here, you quickly are able to get to it. So you have a status panel where you can update status in one page, so you don't have to go to 5 different websites. On a one screen, you can update your status across.
So you can update your Facebook status or your Twitter status, all there.
Exactly.
Right? And so it's live fed.
Yeah. So you set it up once, and you're doing it from one screen, not logging into 5 websites, 5 things.
So when you fire up Moblin, right, are you automatically logged into your various social networking environments?
Yes. The first time you do the settings, you just set up your username, your password for your social networking sites.
Okay.
And when it comes up, it's fired up. And by the way, the right here is live. So it's not static. So if someone posts a new picture, it'll show up here. Okay. So it's a
could be dangerous. Okay.
The great thing about Moblin, it's based on standard Linux.
Yep.
So all the applications that run on standard Linux just work as is. And all of the middleware.
So give me some examples.
So for example, Skype or OpenOffice or any of the standard applications that you have on PC Linux, just run as is.
So no port required, no recompile, no fiddling around, it just works.
They just work. I mean, I have Skype here, I can just launch it and it'll be there. I mean, I won't be able to connect to it. It's right. So what I have here is open source Android applications that run in this environment. So this is the technology demonstration. So again, the idea is just as Adobe Air applications are running unchanged, Android applications will run unchanged. Okay. And I can launch your Sudoku application. It will launch into its own area called the zone, and you'll be able to.
So you accept the easy, medium, or hard. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. All right. Very cool. Very intuitive, easy to use user interface.
Yeah, and apart from the user interface
that I'm holding up here in my hand, this is a working unit. It's not just a video scene here. So they're on track as well. We have a number of other partners. Richard, if I might, I'd like to invite up our local rock star, Richard Lee, a partner of ours. Richard, thank you. Congratulations to you.
Well,
so I hear you also have something here special you want to share with us.
In fact, I'm the one to help to answer James' requirements.
Perfect.
What she was asking, long battery life.
Yep.
The taking the pictures.
Yep.
And also high definition TV.
Yes.
I would wish she could ask more. In fact, we met great progress on the Morristown.
Okay.
In fact, I want to show you.
All right.
The pocket.
Excellent.
It's a working one.
Is it fantastic?
We're going to ship soon.
All right, very good. You're probably going to say, I'm the one holding you back. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
This is not just a meat, it's just a next generation navigation.
Okay.
Navigation device. So it provides, first of all the requirements the Jenny is is asking.
Yep.
In fact, we named this X3.
X3.
But I just think why not name this, we named it Janet.
Okay.
So it provides the 5-inch clear screen. As you know that this is a navigator, not just for the personal,
yep.
but also for the car.
Yep.
So when you are driving, the 5-inch is a requirement.
Yep.
It sees very clearly, so you won't miss anything. And other than that, it takes the full complete experience.
Yeah, actually, Atom opened a new area for engineers to design new products for the new world. Okay, of course, the Atom and the next one, most time, is so powerful, and this is dream machine. Dream machine, I think about all for 10 years, and you make it true.
Together.
24 hours battery, and 1 billion of websites. So, and then the next generation of IT industry and revolution will be the cloud computing. So cloud computing means you have a cloud, all the information in the cloud. And the only thing you need is a small device like this. It works for you 24 hours. All you need for 24 hours.
Brilliant.
So, actually, the hardware platform is here.
It's working.
It will be working, waiting for the chips.
So we've gone through now the ecosystem. We've talked about what we've done on the silicon side. We've talked about effectively the work that we're doing together with our Moblin partners on the hardware side. We've talked about what we're doing on the software ecosystem, as well as what we're doing on the wireless telephony side. So Morstan is not yet in production. We're getting close. We're racing to get this into the marketplace. We're very excited about it and all the opportunities ahead and the partnerships that we have here. But we at Intel don't rest. I started this off saying, this is a marathon, and when you're on a hill, when you hit a hill, you accelerate going up the hill. And that's the opportunity that you have to pull ahead of your competition, right? We're in a hill. That's the economic recession. We're going to accelerate. We're going to accelerate with 32 nanometers. That's our next generation platform, Medfield. It is going to go from a 2-chip Morstan solution to a single-chip solution. So you'll see a pretty significant reduction in size as we do that. In terms of capabilities, it will be better, it'll be faster, it will be lower power, and clearly will deliver a lot more capability and make more of Janet's dreams come true. Now, that is all I'm going to say on Medfield for today. Everything else we'll talk at a future day. So we started this off talking about the art of the impossible and making it possible. And our goal here is to basically deliver such a fantastic capability and experience in a pocketable device that we want anybody that has an Atom-based handheld, we want their neighbors, their friends, their brothers, their sisters to have pocket envy. Right? We want them to envy your pocket because your pocket has that Atom-based handheld device. That's the goal, and we think we can deliver that. The internet going mobile is a huge opportunity. We had a fantastic amount of progress in the first year since the birth of Atom. We are close to giving birth to the second generation of the platform. The ecosystem clearly is moving very fast, and we're not stopping there. So in the spirit of rock stars, I'd like to leave you guys with a single message: rock on. Thank you. And back there is the demo showcase.